banger. And today I got a 2014 Kia Forte, and I'm gonna go ahead and snatch this fuel pump out today. Go ahead and get this thing done step by step. First thing you guys want to go ahead and do is take loose the battery. I done already took loose the battery up front, so I'm pretty sure you guys know how to take loose the battery. But I'm finna go ahead and pull out this back seat. Check it out. Might be a bad angle, but sorry guys, but it's pretty much you just get up under here a little bit, lift up like that, come to the other side, lift up like that. All right guys, you can go ahead and snatch this seat out if you guys want to, but what I went on ahead and did is I went on ahead and took my jack stick, posted that seat up pretty much like that. However, once you go ahead and bend back down, it'll be all back fine. Ain't nothing finna be on this thing but some booty. So what we go ahead and want to do, we want to access this thing right here, and once we go ahead and get to this, it's a bunch of little sticky stuff. Can't really show y'all, but right there, if y'all can kind of see, it's a bunch of whole little sticky adhesive. So what you want to go ahead and do is take a screwdriver around there and kind of remove that and separate that. So here we go, let's get it. All right, so I done removed the adhesive from around of it. You do kind of want to keep it on there because we are going to use it again. So now that I don't open it up, what I want to go ahead and do is remove these connectors. You got one connector right here, and you got another connector right here, and then we can go ahead and pull this back up out of the way. Alrighty, now that I have disconnected the connectors right here and right here, what I want to go ahead and do is get access. This is kind of supposed to be typically pushed down, but I just went on ahead and wiggled that up and access that tab right there. And what you want to go ahead and do is push that down, push this line forward, and then pull back, and that should release that tab. And the same thing as here, I might be able to do this one with one hand. Nope, can't do it. There we go, just the wrong hand. I had to get the right hand for the right job. Alrighty, so now that I done removed that one, I can go ahead and remove this one right here. Nope, this one a little more difficult, so I ain't even finna try to put that pressure on this thing because it also has the safety clip. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is sit this camera down for a second. Take my screwdriver, push that tab down, push forward, then go ahead and pull back to remove that. There we go. And now that we remove these, we want to kind of tuck these in the back. It's going to be kind of hard because they are going to want to spring back up, but we're going to tuck those back as much as we can. And now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Phillips screws, so we're gonna go ahead and remove all of those. Alrighty, now that I went on ahead and took all 8 out of there, I can go ahead and remove this slowly. I'm gonna go ahead and just sit this to the side, keep it up in the same position, and now I can go ahead and remove this slowly. I like to pull it out slowly so the gas can come out as well. Kind of keep the gas in the tank and not spilling everywhere, so it'd be best to kind of do on a lower tank, but this customer got a full tank, so I'm gonna go ahead and sit this camera down, go ahead and try to tilt this thing the best I can to get this fluid inside the tank and go ahead and remove it. Yo guys, so I got the old fuel pump all the way out, and I forgot to tell you guys this process to go ahead and remove this piece right here, but it pretty much too much nothing. All I did is separated these and pulled up on this right here, and I removed that and applied it to the new fuel pump. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing and I'm gonna take it slow right over here, and I'm gonna ease it. Whoa, not dread is in there, but I'm just gonna ease the fuel pump in there. Make sure you get that leveler down in there first, and then set it on down. Now this is the part where I go ahead and need 2 hands, so I'm finna go ahead and sit this camera down. So now that I got it all the way installed, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and take this and apply it over the top. make sure you get this little notch right here, if you guys can see that on that. And there's also one up top too up here. But again, we're back in a situation where I need 2 hands, so here we go. It's about there, almost about right there. But need 2 hands. Go ahead and get these screws lined up. Be right back, guys. Alrighty, I went on ahead and installed that thing. Bolts in and hoses connected. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is flip these things back over. Connect that. We got another one right here. Connect that, make sure both are connected. Give them a slight tug to make sure. Then we can go ahead and there you go. And go ahead and hook that battery back up and give it a turn. Test it out. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, follow, and share, subscribe.